Hi, I'm JJ from TravelBox. Many of you have bought a new luggage but still don't know how to set your own TSA combination lock. Now, I take this opportunity to show you how to set your own TSA combination lock by following these 3 simple steps. It's very easy. Ready? Step 1 is press, which means pressing the reset button that's located at the side or the edge of the lock. Notice here, this is not the reset button. This is actually the TSA key lock, which the airport security officer holds the key to unlock your luggage. Use a pen, press the reset button here, and you hear a click. Then step 2 is enter, which is entering the new combination. Now I will use my favorite combination. 8, 8, and 8, 888 as a new combination. Make sure that you remember the new combination that you just set. Lastly, step 3 is push. As you push this tab, and hear a click sound. So now you're done. The new combination is set. It's that simple, just 3 steps. Press, enter, and push. So now you know how to set your own TSA combination lock. It's that simple. So remember to check our travel luggage accessories at www.travelbox.com.my. So we encourage you to travel with fun. See you next time.